following short is rated PG-13. The Indiana BMV does not present You and Your Turn Signal. Here's your host, Bobby Turnley.
Hello, and welcome to You and Your Turn Signal, an informative short to help you understand the importance of turn signals. 100% of the people who do not use their turn signal properly piss me off! This is a steering wheel. It's found in every car. All drivers should know this. Behind the steering wheel is a device few people know how to use. It's called the flippin' turn signal! You push the lever up to signal you're turning right. You push the lever down to signal you're turning left. This fabulous device allows you, the driver, to tell me where the f*** you're going! Or we may crash, and that'll just piss everyone off. So, in conclusion, use your flippin' turn signal! Thank you, and drive safely. Turn signal, you damn knuckleheads, because you're pissing me off every time you do it, and you don't know where you're going. Can't see you, I don't know what's in your head, I don't know.